Well, my little brother, we're 16 months apart, and he was born with severe asthma. He has been in and out of hospitals for very, very bad asthma attacks. And so he's grown up with respiratory therapists around him, treating him his whole life. And so I was kind of like, that's pretty cool. I never heard of one of those. And he speaks so highly of them. He's like, I love my respiratory therapists. They make me feel better. And I was like, I think I can do that. I wanted to do something that's very specialized.
So students that are interested in going either the athletic training path or towards more medical professionals for orthopedists, nursing, anything in those lines, we try to make sure that we give them the very basics of what they would need, the very basics of anatomy, physiology in a hands-on perspective. For our athletic training students, they get a little bit more out of it, the ones that are interested in athletic training, just because we're very geared for that, because that's what we're doing. But for anybody that's interested in the other side of the medical fields, they're at least getting a good base knowledge of anatomy and physiology, and then getting some perspectives that most kids may not get without going through a program like this.
You get to know the backgrounds, ins and outs of different aspects of the medical field. If someone is kind of on the edge about it, if they don't know if they want to go into that, I would definitely say go for it. You don't lose anything. You gain experience, you gain connections, you gain so much. I loved it. You get so much out of it.
My plan was always to work in a hospital. I didn't really know what factor I wanted to yet, but by joining the athletic training program here, I have learned that the rehabilitation process after an injury is what really excites me about the program, so I've decided to do that with the rest of my life.
It's really important that they help me out. I go in there, they're open-minded, they listen to what I have to say, and they help me out with treatment, whatever I need. Got on a bike, get some ice, whatever I need, they help me with it. I'm really appreciative, because without them, I mean, I've been injured multiple times. Without them, I wouldn't be able to bounce back so fast. I really appreciate them for real.
We do everything from physical therapy, emergency care, hydration, everything. They are involved in every aspect of an athletic team's success behind the scenes, but they're involved in so much more than what people see, other than carrying a water bottle and things like that.
I think it's a pretty cool experience. They get treated really well, and they also get a chance to be around athletes and help them out. Just getting them whatever they need, getting them help with their tape, with their stretching. So it's been good to have them around. I can tell you this: when they're not around, we miss them. So for our training staff to send us two good, reliable ones that we can count on has been an asset for us.
Any student that's interested in any medical field can find value in being involved in our student aid program.
I used to want to be a psychiatrist. Then I was like, well, for more experience, I should, be an athletic trainer and see what I really want to do, what career path I want to go down.
I was new to Humble ISD, so I went to a counselor and I told her that I had an interest for sports. And so she introduced me to the athletic training program here. And it was the best thing that ever happened to me. I never knew that you can bring it to collegiate or to professional, and I'm so excited to have my life going on with athletic training, and I'm very excited for being an athletic trainer for Texas Tech.
We're open to freshmen through seniors. We try to welcome anybody in at any point during their high school career. They join us as a PE credit. Our technical class is called PE Trainer. When they're in here, they'll get an educational standpoint because of the teaching moments that we do throughout the year, but they'll also get the hand-on experience throughout practices, games, and then the daily tasks that we have to do with daily.